A very good morning, my dear students. So today's session, I would like to talk about the IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds. Here, I have given some coordination compounds, right? So how to write the IUPAC nomenclature? So one by one, we will see that. So before we see the nomenclature, so usually, how to say the compound name? So what is the compound? It's a common salt, sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is the right. Easily we can write it. So what kind of rule we are following? The positive must be right first, negative will be next. The same method we can follow here. So positive, which one carries a positive, which one carries negative? We have to find it. The first complex means the coordination sphere, we have it. So inside the square bracket, what are the metal and what are the ligands are present. So everything consists of coordination sphere. And the coordination sphere, out of the coordination sphere, any groups are or any elements present or not, we have to find it. So the first complex, out of the coordination sphere, element is there, right? The element Cl, right, is the ion, negative ion, Cl minus 1. So what is the coordination sphere charge? Plus 1. So negative, positive, added means it will give a neutral, 0, right? Now, ligand, what type of ligand is given? We have to see. Amine is a neutral ligand, 0. The coordination sphere charge plus 1 belongs to metal, right? Now, after the charge separation, what are the elements are and the ligands are having the charge, we can write the IUPAC name easily, right? Now, next, small bracket, first we have to solve it, then large bracket. The same method we can follow it. 2 means diamine. NH3 means ligand. Here we can write diamine. Silver, the space we should not give. Silver. The silver is a metal. The metal oxygen state we can give as a Roman numerical 1. Then ending with the chloride. Right? I hope the first complex name. How you can write? You can understand that, right? The same method. Second one. Out of the coordination sphere, any groups are present, sulfate is present, sulfate charge minus 2, right? The coordination sphere charge plus 2. Now, the amine is a neutral ligand, 0. The plus 2 belongs to copper, right? Now we can write the IUPAC name. Tetra, 4 means tetra, amine, tetra amine. Cu means copper, right? The oxidation state plus 2. Here, Roman numeral 2, then sulfate, right? The second coordination is over. Then the third one, look carefully. The out of the coordination sphere, no groups or elements are given, left and right side. Here, the coordination sphere has a charge plus 1. Here the amine, as we known earlier, neutral. The plus 1 belongs to silver, right? So how to write the name? Diamine. Then silver. Oxidation state 1. So Roman letter 1, right? So ion, right? Now the fourth one. The previous one is in ion state. So ending with the ion, right? Next, the fourth one also ion state. So here total coordination sphere charge plus 2. So now we can have two types of ligand. One is amine, another one is chlorido. The chlorido charge minus 1, amine 0, neutral ligand. So Cl is a negative ligand. So here which number if you give means the total plus 2 will come. plus 3. Plus 3 added with minus 1 means we can get a coordination sphere plus 2. So cobalt charge is plus 3, right? Now we can write it. Here two types of ligands are given. Alphabetical order we have to follow it. So which one will come first? We see. Amine will come first, right? So chlorido will be next. A will come first, C will be next. So penta, amine we have to write first. Penta, amine, the Cl means chlorido, then cobalt charge plus 3, right? Plus 3. Then the state of the coordination sphere, ion, right? Now the fifth one we see. Fifth one, out of the coordination sphere, no groups or elements present, right? The coordination sphere charge minus 4, ending with the negative charge, right? So how to write it? One fluorine. So ligand name is a fluorido. So minus 6, iron plus 2, right? The total charge minus 4. So we can write it hexa fluorido. The iron charge is plus 2, but the total coordination charge is negative. So ferrate, ending with the 80. Ferrate, the oxidation state 2. Ferrate 2, right? Ferrate 2. The state is ion, right? Because the total coordination sphere charge is minus 4. That's why ferrate, ending with the 80. The state is a negative ionization state, so ion we can write it. Now the carbon 6. Here also two types of ligand. Tetramine, right? Tetramine, so neutral ligand. Here out of the coordination sphere Cl is here, so minus 1. Total coordination sphere charge plus 1. Here CO3 ligand is carbonato, charge minus 2. So cobalt charge will be plus 3. Then only plus 3 added to the minus 2 can get a plus 1, right? So according to the alphabetical order, we can follow it for writing the ligand. Amine will come first. So tetraamine, carbonato, CO3 2 minus, so ending with the ATO, carbonato, right? Carbonato. Then cobalt 3, oxidation state 3 we can mention with the Roman numeral. So ending with the negative group out of the coordination sphere. So 3 chloride, right? Now the seventh coordination compound is C. Here also we can have two types of ligand. So both are neutral, right? Now out of the coordination sphere, Cl3 is here. So each Cl minus 1, 3 Cl means total charge minus 3. The coordination sphere charge plus 3, right? So positive must write first. Now these two are neutral ligand. The plus 3 belongs to chromium. So we can write it. Here amine and aqua. Which one will come first? According to the alphabetical order, amine will come first. So tri amine, 3 means tri. So tri amine, tri aqua, chromium, Roman letter 3, oxidation 3. So you can mention the Roman letter 3. Chloride, ending with a negative ion, right? Now the last coordination compounds, you can mention carefully. The out of the coordination sphere, any elements are present. Right side no groups or elements. So left side potassium is here, K3. So K means potassium. K charge plus 1. So total charge plus 3. the coordination sphere charge, negative charge, -3, right? Then NO, nitroxide, Ligand name is nitroxide, is a neutral ligand 0. Then cyanide, cyanido, we can write it. Minus Eg cyanide -1, here pi is cyanido, so -5. So which number is added with the -3 means? It gives -3 plus 2. Plus 2 added with the -5 means we can get -3. Now the charge separation is over, we can write the IUPAC name, right? So positive must write first. So out of the coordination sphere, left side one element is here, potassium. So potassium, pentacyanide, nitroxide, the coordination sphere charge is negative, so the ion we can write ferrate. Here the fifth complex we can write. Can you understand this? Fe, so total coordination sphere charge negative, so ferrate we can write it. Ferrate oxygen state, Roman letter 2. It is not a ionic state because +3 -3 equally balanced, the compound is neutral. So after the 2, Roman letter 2, you should not write the ion until we can stop it because the complex is neutral, totally neutral complex, right? I hope you can understand well how to write the IUPAC name nomenclature for the coordination compounds. Thank you.